Welcome back. And now the former Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission boss James Oswago and his deputy suffered a blow after the High Court upheld their conviction and 4-year sentence in the irregular award of 1.3 billion shillings tender supply of voter materials in the 2013 general elections. In his ruling, Justice Professor Nixon Sifuna said the duo were culpable as they had the responsibility to ensure procurement laws are followed. Details in the Scales of Justice segment.
Oswago and his deputy, the secretary in charge of support services, Wilson Kiprotich Shulei, had been found guilty in 2022 by trial magistrate Felix Kombo. The duo were convicted on 2 counts of willful failure to comply with procurement laws by awarding a contract to Face Technologies Limited for supply of electronic voter identification and misuse of their positions. Justice Professor Nixon Sifuna, when delivering his judgment on Wednesday, said he found the prosecution had proved its case against the two beyond any reasonable doubt, upholding their sentencing. Elsewhere, a case seeking to dissolve parliament before a 5-judge bench was adjourned prematurely after some parties claimed they had not been served with documentary materials to be used in the case.
I'm sorry,
There was a bit of drama as lawyer Nelson Harvey stormed out of the courtroom in protest. The case, which is being heard by a 5-judge bench comprising of Justices Moses Ado, Nyaundi Patricia Mande, Lawrence Mugambe, Jairus Nga and Lady Justice Oya Tabitha Wanyama retired, will now be heard on 14th December.
There is an application on record by Mr. Harvey and there are parties who are alleging that they have not been served with that record of appeal. I think by responding to it, you are going to put on record, Ms. Ashley, the information that already an appeal has been filed and it was filed within the time prescribed by the Court of Appeal. So that there should be no dispute as to whether there is an existing appeal or not, and that there should be no doubt whether there are orders in place staying these proceedings.
Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.